Travel will be extremely dangerous with road closures, parking bans likely across Connecticut. Oh, late Sunday, early Monday? Winter storm Benjamin is expected to bring heavy snow statewide. Accumulations of 8 to 18 inches are possible. Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. I should probably say something and introduce this vlog. It is currently Sunday, January 25th, and we are getting a major ass storm here in Connecticut. Yeah, anywhere from like 12 to 18 inches. And I thought it was supposed to start earlier. So now I'm thinking, do I have time to go out? Do I have time to run to a few stores? Okay, so the snow's not starting till 11, so we might actually get to a store and do a little bit of shopping. We'll see, but I'm gonna drink my coffee, watch some YouTube, journal in my journal, and then obviously if I go anywhere, I will take you guys with me. So yeah, good morning, happy winter snowstorm. Okay, so I guess we'll go ahead and run to Walmart. I don't know, for some reason I'm not really feeling it. I think because I'm a little nervous that the snow is going to start like sooner, but hopefully it doesn't. We should be fine. And I think I'm actually going to go to a different Walmart this time. It's actually like a super Walmart. I think it's a little bit closer to me, but I don't know. I guess we'll go. I am back home. That didn't take me too long. I left here around like 5:40, got there like at 6:10, and it's like 7 something now, so not too bad. That was a brand new Walmart. Well, not brand new. I was probably last there like 8 years ago, and it's like a super Walmart, so it was just like so much that I didn't even look at the food section. I just went straight to the clothing and hygiene, you know, the essentials that you need during a snowstorm. So I'm actually wearing this pink sweatsuit. Is actually from Walmart. I bought it yesterday. I obviously got it in pink, so I picked up the black version of this today. So I picked up the black crew neck sweater. Here are the matching black bottoms. And then I saw this top. It reminds me of like their Christmas pajamas, but this is just, it's not Christmas, but it's that same like thermal material, but instead it just has like blue and yellow and white design on it. I thought this would be cute to wear to bed with like the black sweatpants or something. Then I picked up some water because I was really thirsty. Now what I'm most excited for, I finally got my hands on the Dove X Crumble collab. I don't need any more body washes or body scrubs, but you know I was getting it. So I got the Tres Leches Nourishing Body Wash. I'll be using this tonight when I take my everything shower and do my pamper routine because I'm going to be snowed in, so might as well like really do an everything shower. So I'll definitely be using this. It smells really good, in my opinion. Then of course I had to get the scrub. I got the scrub in the confetti cake. They didn't have it in the Tres Leches. I'm totally saying it wrong, but they didn't have it in that, so I just got it in the confetti cake, which I think is just as good. Ooh, nice and pink. To me it smells good. Then I picked up some hair dye because like I said, we're gonna have a full-on like pamper maintenance routine, so I'm going to touch up my roots with these. Okay, I put the light on, so hopefully you guys can see me better. And then the last two things are not fun. They're actually for, I don't know if you guys can see, but I have this rash on my neck, and I believe it's from a new medication that I'm taking. I believe it's an allergic reaction. I really need to call my doctor, but I think it's from that, because since I took it, I just got this rash on my neck. And I could be totally wrong. I don't know what it's from, but it's really itchy and it's really red and I don't like it, so I wanted to get something for it. So I got hydrocortisone cream. This is for rashes and redness. Just got that. And then this soothing aloe. It's for rashes, inflammation, minor skin irritation. So I'm like, these two products will work for sure. So that was my Walmart haul. I'm gonna go back to what I was doing before I left the house. And I'm also gonna do my nails, I think, because they are looking crusty, dusty, and rusty. So I need to put some new ones on. So I just did my nails. I actually did something different this time. Instead of like a French, I did like this red cherry leopard star zebra print. They're all different prints and I'm obsessed. They're so pretty. I feel like better already. I hate not having nails on. I feel disgusting. And you guys, it already started snowing. The news said it wasn't supposed to start until like 11-ish, but it's snowing out. So it's started already. Good thing I left as early as I did. That is coming down so fast. This is gonna suck. I need another small cup of coffee, so we're gonna make a small cup of coffee. Hi. So it is a lot later in the day. It was 3:41, so it's almost 4 o'clock. And yeah, the snow is coming down like crazy. Like crazy. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if we get more than 18 inches because it's like crazy. I just hope I can get out of this house by Tuesday. I'm praying. But yeah, so it's a lot later. I've just been cleaning. I put a lot of laundry away. What else did I do? I cleaned the bathroom. I cleaned my room. I put new sheets on my bed. I did a lot of editing. I uploaded a bunch of footage to my phone so I can edit it. I started editing some Instagram reels as well. So I've been pretty productive. So yeah, I haven't been doing anything exciting. That's why I haven't been like filming it. I've just been editing and cleaning. But I'm going to take a shower pretty soon and kind of just relax and maybe like watch a movie or something. But yeah, this storm is it's It's definitely a storm. So I decided that we're also going to do a face mask tonight. So I'm going to use this one from MediHeal Collagen Essential Mask that I actually got from Target for $1.99. Okay, face mask is on. We're going to let this sit for like 20 minutes and I'm going to relax.